So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check if your iPhone's battery is replaced or not. Now there are two ways to do that. First of all, just simply open the settings, go to this option of battery. In the battery, you will if the battery have been changed by authorized seller, here in this battery health option, you'll easily able to find the battery first use option. That if it does not match with the first use of iPhone, that means your battery has been replaced. Now another way to do that is just simply go to this option of general. In the general, go to about, and in the about, you will able to find a option that's something like that will look something like replacement or parts or something. Now just simply go over there, and in that option you will easily able to find that if your battery has been replaced, and if it's replaced by Apple or some non-authorized seller. I have don't have any that option because my battery isn't replaced yet. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.